In this video, I'll show you how to add gift card money to Apple account. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Start by taking your Apple gift card and revealing the code on the back. You can peel off the label to uncover the redemption code. Once you have the code visible, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either enter the code manually or tap Use Camera to scan it automatically. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID to continue. After the code is verified, the gift card amount will be added directly to your Apple account balance. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.